Send USDT from Binance to Bitget. In today's video, I will show you how to send USDT from Binance to Bitget. Now, first of all, open the Binance app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on Assets. So from the top, tap on Spot. Now tap on Withdraw. Now after that, in the search, you can search for USDT as you can see. So after you find it, tap on it. Now as you can see, tap on Send via Crypto Network. And here as you can see, you will see this address and the network and the amount. So if you want to get the address, you can go back and open your Bitget app, as you can see. Now go to home, make sure to log into your account on the Bitget. Tap on assets, from the top select the spot, and now in the search, you can search for the USDT, as you can see here. Now tap on it. Now after that, what you need to do in these three lines, three dots, tap on it. Now, as you can see from here, you can select the deposit. Now from here, you can copy this, or first, you can select the network from here. I suggest to select the BIP20. So now you can copy the address from here. Go back to your Binance, as you can see. And now you can paste it here. So after you paste it, you can select the network as you set it on the Bitget as the BIP20 from here. So as you can see. So here the amount, you can type how much you want to send. And as you can see, you can tap on withdraw and you will be able to send USDT from Binance to Bitget. So this is how to send USDT from Binance to Bitget. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.